What is Essential Services? Essential Services is a Motorola Solutions new, simplified service offering for Mototrbo devices and infrastructure. Keep your two-way radios and infrastructure up to date and secure with essential software and software repair. This service offering provides access to premium software features, software updates, and hardware repair. Choose from two options of coverage: Essential Software and Repair. The Essential Software package includes premium features that were previously sold a la carte. Moreover, ensure continuous security, performance, and enhanced functionality of your two-way radios and infrastructure by getting software updates and upgrades. Regular release software updates protect and enhance operations to extend the lifespan of your Mototrbo infrastructure. Invest in planned updates to minimize unforeseen costs and service disruptions. Essential Software and Repair. With the expert hardware repair, all radios and infrastructure are returned to factory specifications. All hardware repairs are expedited back to you so you can be productive and keep your operations running smoothly. Essential Software and Software Repair Services for Mototrbo two-way radios and infrastructure will provide you with a reliable approach to protect your investment through expanded software capabilities and improved reliability and security. Contact us for more information.